Hey guys, welcome to Bandito Bets, and we are here at Pulse.com playing two, not just one, but two of their newest games that came out today. So let's go ahead and play the first one and get right into it. So this is game number one, and it is called Lord Fortune number 2. So this is going to be the first game of the new games on Pulse.com. And we are going to do $20 in. Oh, wait, no, not $20. What am I saying? Might do 50 in at $1 bet. Maybe we'll do 2. I don't know. What's the max? 50? Alright, looks like it's a hold and win type. Got to get the balls, and you might have to get something with a bell in the middle. I don't know. There's a treasure chest, multiple, and it looks like you could actually buy a bonus as well. Let's see here, 250, 150, maybe? Maybe I'll do 150, so let's see. Let's take a gamble, see if I hit anything. Alright. Nothing there. Looks like, oh wait, hold on, so you gotta get 6 of those. And we got 5, and it looks like it's filling up the orbs on the left and right. Oh, there's a bell. I don't know if the bell means anything. Alright, we got some jacks. Bell again. Come on, let's see if we could get a bonus activated. We want to see what this game is about. Kind of looks a little bit interesting. I don't know what the orbs are. It's kind of filling them both up at the same time. Oh! Oh, can I get the bell? No. Are there bells on all reels? Oh, yeah, there is. I'm not even getting line hits. Kind of crazy. I'm wondering, is he a wild? Yep, looks like he's a wild. We're already $20 in. So far, nothing. It is 25 lines. Oh, bell. Aw. Come on, give us something. Just a bonus at least. Oh, of course it gets blocked. Okay. Nothing there. No hits yet. I wonder what happens when you fill it up. Does it just go automatically to the bonus? Oh, wait, hold on. We just need to get 3 more. And it is possible, but we didn't get it. We're already $60 in. Oh, both bells right over there. Okay, we got 120 back. 30 cents. Oh, wait, hold on. Nope. Oh, looks like we got it. Well, let's see. Yep, we got it. All right, at $1.50. 6 spins? Huh. So I guess it's not a reset. I guess you just keep getting +1. Okay, so I got 6 spins again. 150 there. So there are no resets. You have to get the +1 if you want to get more spins. No spin, or I mean nothing there. Oh, +1. Alright. Come on, give us the orbs. +1 again. $3. So far, it's not looking too good. 150. I think if we get all of them, we get the grand, but it doesn't look like we're going to get all of them. I don't think we're gonna get anything. Well, +1. Still alive. I don't know why it's keeping us alive. It's not really giving us anything. There's a 6, and that's it. Alright, so we did get some money back. 3. Alright, about $30 back. I don't know if that's a good thing, but guess we could keep on going. I don't know. Hopefully we get the bonus. Now we want to get the bells. That's what we're looking for. That or maybe another orb hit with something actually bigger than what we just got. All we need is 3. Of course we get 2. Maybe I'll lower it. Oh. Right when I lowered it, the bell came. Oh, just one more. That just... Of course. Come on, Bell. Give us something. Oh. Oh, 22. Where was that at $1.50? Come on, I'm starting to see the bells, but... Oh, wait. 3 more. 3 more. Come on. Nope. Bell. 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 3rd, 5th. Oh, we got it. All right. I don't know what numbers I was saying there, but looks like we got 8 free spins with Power Wilds. Multipliers wins up to times 81. It looks like we could get the orbs. Oh, so now he's a multiplier. Okay. Guess I kind of see what's going on here. 3 more? Nope. So far, I'm not hitting anything. I got this bonus, and now making $0. 0 hits. No way, 0 hits. Okay, there you go. Is that a times 2? Oh, that's it. $30 on the last hit. All right. Well, at least I'm money up. Let's see if I could get it again. Oh. Just 1 bell there. Got jacks, 240 back. Aces. Dollar seems like it might be hot. If I raise it, I start to lose. Let's see. Yep. You don't hit when you move to $1.50. Oh, there's some kings. 450 back, okay. 90 cents. Oh. Come on, give us... Oh, that could have been good. We didn't get the orbs. Hate when we get the orbs and they don't give us anything. Oh, nope. Let's go back to $1. Because I feel like that was luckier. Oh, see? There you go, all kings. Sometimes it's better to do small bets. Do whatever you do, or need to do to win. Because even if you're betting more, you don't make any hits. What's the point, you know? Looks like the orbs are filling up. We're gonna stop at 100 and then move on over to the next game. I'm just hoping that something hits. But I don't think anything will. Let's do some fast spins. Oh. Oh. And looks like it's gonna end right there. Let's do a 25 cent. 10 cents back. Alright, so that was Lord Fortune 2 or 2 Lord Fortune? I don't know. But either way, it was a fun game. We got both bonuses. I don't know if there's a secret bonus. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see here. During bonus games, several super collect symbols can come to the board. They stick on the rails during bonus game. They gather all symbols on the board. Alright, let's move over to the next game because we are pretty much done with this one. Saw everything it could do. And hopefully you guys play it and get lucky when you play it. So, yep. And this is game number 2 called Exploding Fruits. This is the second new game that came out today on Pulse.com. And we are going to start with 100 is the max. Oh, $5. Should we do 2? Why not? Let's do it. I have no idea what this game is about, but it looks like a oh, I won. Whoa, what? I won again. Huh. I think you want to keep on hitting. What's that game? That old school game? Galaga or something? That's what it reminds me of. Kind of cool. I am doing $2. Is that a hit? Do you have to get 3? 1 on each reel? Well, that's how you win. It's left to right, and you have to get the same symbol. So that's a hit. I think I see what's going on. But I don't know how to fill up the... I think every time you get a hit, it fills up, but I don't know how much it fills up by. Like, if it's a big hit, does it fill up a lot? Huh. So far, I'm not getting any luck. I've been getting baby hits. Oh, what is that? Wild? Oh, there's a wild. 2.4. So it did 5 little bars. Then they're not gone yet, so I guess I have one more chance of hitting. Oh, that would have been pretty good. Lemons? Okay. So I think you do have a second chance to redeem yourself. Oh, that's a hit too. 3.2. 777? Oh, that's a hit. $4. Okay. And then I think I have one more chance to redeem myself. Is that a hit? Yep. Yep, and they keep on adding. Oh, there you go. Now I wonder what happens when you max it. Let's see, yep, it stays, so I have to hit now. I did. The watermelons. Ooh, 7. Okay, no hit there. We do have another chance. Oh, yes! We got the oranges. Come on, keep on hitting. Oh, close. But it's not over yet. Yeah, we got it. There you go. Getting the Joker in the middle. It's a good... Oh, we maxed it. Free spins! Alright, so we get 3 free spins. So there is a bonus game in here. You just have to max the bar. Let's see what happens. Oh! I think we're going warp speed. This is 1 out of 3. And we got wilds on the end. 27? 24? Okay. Not sure what's happening, but this is 2 out of 3. Okay, we got blues. 18 and 16, 2. Oh, watermelons and lemons. That's a super shot. Woo! Huge win! Yeah! Alright, let's see if we could do it again. That super shot. That's a win? I don't know how. Lemons? Oh, is that a win? Oh, that's a win! Grapes? Is that a win? That is a win. Huh. We're still going. Alright, so now we're in 3 out of 3. Game 3. Doesn't look like that's a win. Alright, so I just won 128. That is crazy, and I don't even know how I did that. So I guess you have to hit twice, and then it moves on to the next game? Oh, alright, well, there you go. That's how you win it. See if you could keep on going. I don't think we're gonna get another one. There you go. Got some blueberries. 8 times 3. Nope. We're not done yet. Get a retry. Lemons? Yep. We're in it. 6 times 3. Yep. We're still going. Okay, so now we're back in the retry area. There you go, oranges. Lemons? Okay, we're almost there. Cherries, come on. Yeah, we got cherries. Woo! Yeah, we are getting there. Oh, only we had oranges. Not done yet. Oh, we are. So we were close right there. That's pretty cool, though. I like how it gives you a second try. Lemons? Keep it going. Keep it going. Grapes? No, but we do have another try. Maybe we could build it up again. Yep. Cherries. Okay. Let's keep it going. You do have to pay for that second try, though. So even though I'm waiting 80 cents right there. Oh, and watermelon, $7. Oh, wow. Oh, I won again. I thought that was a loss. I didn't see the lemons. Cherries. We're still going. Blueberries? No, we were close. But you do have to pay for this one right here. Oh, we were close. Alright, come on. I do want to see how much a 777 pays. Or a bar. There you go. Cherries. 40 cents. Oh, nothing there, but we do have a retry. 14? Woo! Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Did we not? Oh, okay, lemons. Keep it going. Cherries. We're still in it. We're still in it. Okay, nothing there. Oh, there you go. Oranges all the way. Sevens? Come on, sevens. Nope. We almost had bars as well. Ah, dang. Gets you all hyped up and then you don't get that hit. Just don't get that hit. Lemons? There you go. Lemons. 60 cents. Cherries. We are in it. So I think each hit you get adds on more to the bars. So if you only get 3 hits, it's only 3 bars. Oh, dang it. Back at the bottom again. There you go. Now we're getting those wilds. That's what we need. We need him to pop up. Now what? Oh. More wilds? Come on. Ooh, we almost had the sevens. Almost had it. One more spin, and yeah, looks like we're gonna end it there. Let's do 70 cent. Aw. Alright, so we'll stop there. We doubled our money. Alright, well, there you go, guys. Those are the 2 new games, so go ahead and try it out for yourselves, and let me know in the comments what happened in your game. Did you win? Did you get the free spins? And yeah, maybe you hit big. But yeah, I would like to hear any of that. And also don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to support the channel. And yeah, I think that's about it. So we are going to end it on that, and Bandito out.